Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Trader Brett or Brett Medina. I've been options trading for 5+ years and I love what I do. Fascinated by the markets. Let's get started into today's topic, which is the fear of missing out in your trading. This is a very common emotion that is generated when you see a market take off, when you see a stock start to do very, very well, and you're not in the trade. That is usually the prime catalyst for this fear of missing out. What it feels like, it feels scarce. You might feel needy. You might feel an emptiness or a drop in your stomach. You may feel anxiety, and you may feel an urge to press that buy button. Okay. When you feel that urge, or when you feel that emotion of, oh my gosh, I might miss this, you want to identify that as quickly as possible because it can interrupt your trading plan. It can cause you to not think so logically. And the number one thing you want to do is follow your trading plan. But I want to give you a thinking strategy, a thinking method to reduce the amount of times that FOMO, so it's abbreviated for FOMO, the fear of missing out, comes into your trading. Even professional traders that have been doing this for years, myself, this still comes into our trading. We still feel this emotion, but we have certain mental models to reduce the impact of FOMO. So what we want to go ahead and do, so what we want to go ahead and do to reduce this emotion is we need to understand this one very important thing when we are trading, okay? So if we have a fear of missing out, what are you exactly missing out on? Missing out on an opportunity, fair enough, right? Definitely. But we need to understand that the market is an endless stream of opportunity. It is important to understand, it is very important to understand that you can come to the markets at any time during the year, during the week, during the day, in your life. You can come to the markets at any time and they will always still be there. Yes, there are some opportunities that you might miss. That's fine. As traders, we won't catch all the opportunities. I wish I caught all opportunities in my trading career. I'm sure other traders do as well, but we won't catch them all. There's just simply way too much going on. But we need to understand that the market is an endless stream of opportunities. So important to actually firmly believe this, not just know it. We want to understand it, yes, but we need to believe it. Because if we believe that the market is an endless stream of opportunity, then we know that if the stock takes off without us, okay, or if you're shorting a stock, if the stock falls without you, okay, for all the short sellers or whatever your strategy consists of, if the opportunity has already passed, if your time for entry has already passed, you need to understand that there will be another one. There will be another one. You need to firmly believe that there will be another opportunity. The market will always be there. And you don't want to get this confused with, oh, the market's always going to be there, I'm not going to take this opportunity. You don't want to you don't want to swing too far on that pendulum. You don't want to say, oh, the market's always going to be here, so I'm just not going to take this trade, or whatever the case may be. You want to still be as precise as you can. Take as much opportunity as you can handle and execute the best you possibly can. Okay, but if you miss an opportunity, if the opportunity is taken off, understand it is an endless stream. It's full of opportunity. It is the market. I don't want to compare it to a gold mine, but it's kind of like what it is, right? There's always going to be another one. Or you can think of it like a bus stop too, right? There's always going to be another bus right around the corner, and unless it's just a square, right? Here's a person right here. You miss this bus, it takes off without you, okay? No problem. Another one's gonna arrive in 30 minutes. The same thing goes for our trades. Whether you're a day trader, a swing trader, a scalper, an investor, there will always be another opportunity waiting for you right around the corner, waiting for you to execute appropriately. And this ties in with following your trading plan to an absolute T. Your trading plan equals self-respect. How, you may ask? When you create a trading plan, you're giving yourself a rule book, you're giving yourself a guideline for you to follow as you enter the trade. A guideline, a playbook, a rule, right? Rules. And when you honor your trading plan, you are building self-respect in your trading. You are consistently building that respect. And that respect helps you to stay disciplined. Oops. Respect helps you to stay disciplined. And who doesn't want to be disciplined in their trading, especially when you're trying to remain consistent and not trade randomly? Okay? When you follow your trading plan, you consistently build self-respect. So therefore, the fear of missing out, when you experience this emotion, you actually do not follow your trading plan. Okay? If you have a stock and the stock is taking off, and it's right here, and you were supposed to get in right here, at this point right here, and you decide to get in here anyways, you are not following your trading plan. You are not respecting yourself. And that's going to be detrimental to your trading, because when that trade goes against you, you're going to feel even worse. You're going to feel an influx of emotion that just drains you, pulls you down, weighs you down, and you're going to be thinking to yourself, damn, why the hell did I do that? So you need to follow your trading plan. Have those clear rules in your plan, in your book, saying, I will enter here or I don't take the trade, right? FOMO. When you miss out, you miss your entry, it's okay. There will be another one. Follow your trading plan. Don't compromise. Don't just say the market's ticking off. Oh my gosh, it's going bananas. Let me just hop into this trade. Hop into the stock at any point in time. If you do, you're trading randomly. And if you don't, because you're respecting your trading plan, then you are building self-respect, and that self-respect will help you stay disciplined in the long term so that you can be consistently profitable. All right? I'm wishing you the best in your trading. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, feel free to like this video, subscribe to this channel. I will be posting more coaching videos. I love talking to you guys and working with you guys. I will leave my Substack link also in the description below. Feel free to check it out. I post market updates and articles as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.